Hello, and welcome to the Harsh Noise Dance Party. I'm your host, TINO. Welcome to TINO TV. This is the first episode of the year. I'm done my little break, I guess. It's been really hard to have motivation to do anything lately. Just not feeling things. Things just aren't that great. Especially today. Today's not that great of a day. So I'm trying to motivate myself to get through this video and just do it and have some fun and actually get out of my own goddamn fucking head. Because, yeah, it's just something I have to do. I gotta get out of my own head right now. Yeah, mental health is pretty important, so you guys should take care of that. Take care of your brain. Make sure you're okay. Because I know a lot of people aren't right now. And people are having a very hard time coping with a lot of different factors. Just pretty fucking rad. So on today's episode, I'm just doing a short little harsh noise set. I have my custom-made Hellraiser box going into my DoD, which is going into the Gemthols, which is then going into the Data Corruptor, and then going into the Digitech Death Metal. Yeah, nothing too fancy. Just a pretty cool circuit. Not a circuit, but you know what I mean. Signal path. I'm gonna get to it. I'm your host, Tino. Thank you for tuning in to the Harsh Noise Dance Party, TINO TV. I hope you enjoy. that's about gonna do it for me, your host, Tino, on this shitty edition of the Harsh Noise Dance Party. Thank you for tuning in to TINO TV. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, I'm your host, Tino. Remember, take care of your mental health. If you need help, anybody, just seek out anybody. Could be a random stranger. Who gives a shit? Just talk. Because you really, you don't know what's next for you. You don't know what's next. I'm your host, Tino.